Hi guys! Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. For today's episode, we will make pianono. Pianono is a Filipino version of Swiss roll. Let's get baking! To start, preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius. We will need 6 medium eggs, 1 cup of fresh milk, or you can also use evaporated milk, white sugar for coating, half cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, half cup of cake flour, half cup of white sugar for the cake, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. Now, separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. Then, whisk the egg yolks. Then, add in the vanilla extract and mix them together. Sift the flour, baking powder, and the salt. Mix them together. If you like this recipe, why not click the subscribe button to help the channel? Add the milk and whisk them together until they are well combined. Beat the egg whites in a medium setting until it becomes frothy. Then, gradually add the white sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks are achieved. Don't forget to tap the like button. Now, mix together the egg mixture into the meringue. Until they are well combined. Then, transfer the mixture into the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Spread it evenly. Gently tap it to remove the air bubbles. Bake this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown. After baking, let it cool for a few minutes. Then, sprinkle some sugar top of it. Put another parchment paper on top of it in a wire rack and flip it over. Then gently peel off the parchment paper. You want the parchment paper to easily peel off. Spray the parchment paper with oil or grease it with butter before pouring the mixture. Now, spread the butter all over it. The traditional pianono uses butter or margarine as filling, but I have seen some pianono they're using condensed milk. You can also try that one. Let me know in the comments below if it's delicious. Now, sprinkle some sugar all over it. Then roll it slowly. After rolling, trim the edges. And here's our finished product! Pianono is so soft and fluffy. Perfect for snacks or merienda. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!